Gentlemen, in this video I'm going to tell you why your hair needs argan oil immediately. One of the most important reasons why I think your hair needs something like an argan oil is because argan oil will protect your scalp and your hair from heat. What heat? Where do I heat on my scalp and my hair? Well, if you have some type of haircut like me, or you have long hair that you style on a daily basis, you're most likely using a blow dryer. And blow dryers can generate a lot of heat, which will put the hair in your desired position. But this heat generated from a blow dryer or a curling iron or whatever type of tool you might be using for your hair will generate heat which will damage the hair follicle and your scalp. And in order to protect your hair from some heat that can be generated from these tools, argan oil is going to do that for you. And heat that you can't really feel on your hair before you get exposed to it for way too long, the sun. And argan oil is perfect for protecting your hair and scalp from that as well. Another reason why I think you should invest in an argan oil for your hair is because it's going to make your hair feel smoother, stronger, and generally healthier because of the antioxidants and vitamins that it has. So if you feel that your hair is kind of dry or not as healthy or very weird to the touch, not as smooth as you would like it to, argan oil is perfect to fix that problem because, as I told you before, it has antioxidants and vitamins that can be crucial for repairing your hair. One of the most common problems that I know us men can deal with in terms of our hair is either hair loss or dandruff. And let's talk about dandruff real quick. Dandruff is accumulated on your hair because of damage and dryness on your scalp and your hair follicles. And one way to help you with this dandruff problem can be to use a high quality argan oil product, because argan oil is going to protect and help you repair your scalp and hair follicles because of the earlier mentioned antioxidants and vitamins, which will nourish your hair and your scalp and potentially in the long term help you with dandruff and getting rid of this dandruff problem that you might have dealt with. Let's dial back a little bit and talk about a thing that I mentioned in the previous tip: hair loss. A lot of us guys will be dealing or are already dealing with hair loss at some point of our lives. That is natural, but one way to prevent it or even help you with hair loss is argan oil. I have linked to a study in the description below of this video that tells us if you use argan oil a longer period of time and you use it correctly, you can actually help you slow down the hair loss process. If you are scared of dealing with hair loss, or if you think that you might have some symptoms of hair loss already. And gentlemen, I think I have said the word argan oil a lot in this video, but I want to tell you guys which type of argan oil I like to use a lot and which one I think you should try. And here is a word from our sponsor, Forte series. You might have seen my review of Forte series products here on the Men's Improvement YouTube channel, and that is because I am a proud user and promoter of Forte series. I believe in the quality provides us guys the best and actually make our hair feel and be healthier and stronger. And one of my most favorite products from Forte series is actually the product I have on hand here, and that is their argan oil serum. I use this on a daily basis, and I also use this product when I had my buzz cut, and that is because, as I told you, the first tip, it will help you with protecting your scalp and hair from heat, and that might be from blow drying or from simply going out into the sun. I think you should check out Forte series for every type of hair product that you might want. They have pomades, clays, hairsprays, sea salt sprays, even thickening spray. If you have very thin hair like I have, I use that product on a daily basis as well. And of course, I would highly recommend you check out their argan oil. It's one of my most favorite hair products of all time. Use the code MENS10 or the link in the description below. And let's not forget this final tip that argan oil can help you with. It will help you look your best because it makes styling your hair much easier, especially if you either have very flat hair or your hair is very thin like mine. and overall every type of hair type. And that is because argan oil, when you put it into your hair and you massage the scalp in your hair with argan oil, it will make it slightly thicker, and that will help you style your hair the way that you really want, and it won't fall flat. Will experience at some point when styling their hair. And in my experience, of course, I feel that argan oil helps me in my daily routine of styling my hair into the desired hairstyle that I want. And that is because it makes it easier to actually get more volume in the hair and style it in the way I want to style it if I want something that has high hold or generally looks a little bit taller. Gentlemen, I hope that you enjoyed this very informative video about why your hair might need something like an argan oil. These were 5 tips on why you should use argan oil and why I think you should use it on a daily basis. And of course, I would like you to check out Forte series and get this Forte series argan oil serum. It's my most favorite argan oil out there on the market. Very high quality stuff. Gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Men's Improvement YouTube channel for more videos about hair care, skin care, fragrance, grooming, style, fashion, and of course my entrepreneurial journey. And also, if you enjoyed this video, comment down below what you liked about the video and what type of content you would like to see on this channel. And of course, the last thing that I want to ask you is to smile more, because it's free.